Hello and welcome to another update video about crypto.com coin, CRO. Certainly a coin that hasn't really rallied in 5 waves so far from the recent lows. So this is one where we need to be on the side of caution, especially as we've had this 5-wave move to the downside. Haven't covered it for a while. I did send some updates through recently for our gold members, highlighting that we are likely in an opportunity zone, in a support zone here. Now that we start to get some movement, I think it's worth covering it again. Also, a lot of you requested an update, but yeah, it's not a great chart long term. Okay, it doesn't give us a lot of bullishness, not a lot of bullish clarity here, because we have a pretty clean 5-wave move to the downside into the August lows, yeah, and a pretty clean 3-wave move up, new all-time low. Definitely not bullish. Short term, however, I think CRO could, if it's motivated, participate in a bull run in this ABC structure highlighted there in white. If something more bullish develops from there, like the yellow structure, which would be a 5-wave move, well, that is CRO's chance to basically get back into a long-term uptrend. But this is not anything that gives me any confidence long-term. Okay, so we have 3 waves up, we have 5 waves down. It's pretty bad. But yeah, short term the trend is up, especially since the August lows. But as you can see, it's only a 3-wave rally. There are no subwaves, literally, that would tell me anything else. It could have developed 5 waves, but then here, this was missing. Yeah, then it could have been a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead, we have 3 waves up. Now that means 2 things. That means either we're dealing with an ABC structure as shown here, and the price has a chance to rally in a C wave over wave 2 into the resistance zone as long as the 5.52 cent level is holding. Or it means that we're working here on the yellow count, which would be more bullish long term, but it's a diagonal pattern, it's certainly not an impulse, which means that the 3rd wave in yellow would have to be an ABC structure, like the wave 1 seems to be an ABC structure as well. It would also mean that also the wave 5 seems to be an ABC structure. That means the 3rd wave, as I said, would likely be a bit choppy. Certainly we wouldn't look for 5 waves, okay? In the C wave, in the white count, we might see a 5-wave structure. But either way, you know, it's definitely not a great outlook long term, but there is a bit of a support zone here that the price might really respect. It already respected it. Certainly has done enough in this pullback. Doesn't need to come down any lower. It reacted to the 50% retracement level here recently at 7.37 cents. And if we now see a continuation to the upside, especially a break above the most recent swing highs, especially here, 10.7 cents, and then the 11.9 cent level, the X wave high, well, then we're likely in a breakout in wave C. So what would be a target for wave C? We can calculate that with the data we have. We take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and it would take us to round about 20 cents. 20 cents is the 100% extension level, which is a common target for a C wave. In addition to that, we have the 50% retracement level there at 20.8 cents. So it's round about the 20 cent mark, where I would definitely expect strong resistance. Now, don't look for absolute precision, because different exchanges here show slightly different charts. That's a little bit more, more exaggerated than on other crypto charts for some reason. But yeah, I don't think there is much more to add. Just note that at this stage, obviously, the price could still dip a little lower into the orange box. 5.52 cents is the last bullish, reliable support level I've got here, but it's not a great long-term outlook. Yeah, that's my update about CRO. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.